Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas.
Hey, welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. Hope you guys are enjoying the Happee Knits Vlogmas. I'm enjoying them too. A little bit more work than I thought it was going to be. No, it's not really. It is a lot of work, but it's a good enjoyment, and I love editing the videos at the end of the night. And I can see that you guys are enjoying them, or at least I hope you are. So let's continue with day 3. I'm about to get started with work this morning. I will say that probably during my lunch break, I need to run to the store to get some pectin, because I was really going to do my last batch of jelly last night. So I was going to do 2, but I ran out of pectin. So I've got some coming through mail order on Friday, but I want to go ahead and get it knocked out on Thursday because I'm doing deliveries on Saturday. So this morning, after I dropped Alexis off at school, I went by the storage unit so that I could grab some more of my Christmas decor or decorations for outside. So I'm going to try to do that this weekend. I was going to do it last weekend and didn't get a chance to. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda for today. At the end of the day, some more jelly making. I don't know what else is planned for today other than that. We'll just have to see what happens throughout the day. Okay guys, so I am making a quick errand during my lunch break. I have to go into Kroger's, which is a few miles away from where I live, to pick up some of that pectin that I talked about this morning so I can finish up the jelly. And I also need to pick up some supplies for some banana pudding as well, because I have some orders for that too. So yeah, so I wanted to get out because generally, you know, after work, I really am hard pressed to go anywhere. I just want to relax at my house and just, you know, chill. So it's better for me to get it done during my lunch break and, you know, be able to just be at home this evening. First of all, it is so cold right now. I didn't realize the wind chill was this cold. I have no scarf on right now, no knitted scarf, and I'm like, I could just kick myself. And then the other thing is, why is it that when we go into the grocery store for 2 items, we come out $70 worth? And I'm like, really? Oh, I need this. Oh, I think I need this. Okay, well, anyway, I am in the car trying to warm up, and I'm now headed back home so that I can have a little bit of lunch and get back to work. Since it is so cold outside, when I say cold, it's probably about 42 degrees, but I'm pretty sure that the wind chill is a little bit lower than that. Anyway, I've decided I'm going to have myself a simple bowl of a can of chili, because that's what the day calls for, and a good old-fashioned cold Coke. Okay, so this is funny. I had a debate with a friend at work. I'm from Texas and I like saltine crackers crumbled inside my chili and mixed in. Or are you a person that likes to eat the crackers off to the side with the chili? So let me know. Are you an in the chili with the cracker kind of person? Or are you the outside cracker with the chili? Okay, so I got a package today from Macy's, and I know what it is. It's my griddle that I ordered. I used my Macy's reward points, so technically it was free for me, and I threw away my old griddle in the move, so let's see what we got. And there she is, just an inexpensive griddle that I need for exactly what's on the picture. Family baking, pancakes, eggs, French toast, etc. So let's take a look. So I got this on a Black Friday deal, and it is way bigger than I thought it was, which is awesome. Because usually when I'm doing pancakes, you know, you need to have so many for, you know, your family. So a 10.5 by 20. So I'm very happy about this. And like I said, I use my Macy's points, and it's got this little drip tray, safety drip tray. I'm gonna wash it and clean it up good, but yeah, that's going to work. Hey guys, it is almost, it's a little bit after 6. And I had a special request for dinner. There's Alexis. Dante, my oldest, said, "Hey Mom, can we have French toast for dinner?" And I was like, "Yeah, we can." I said, "What about the salmon that I thawed out?" Hi, Alexis. You want to say hello?
Hi.
Hi. So anyway, so we're going to have French toast for breakfast. We're going to have French toast for dinner. And we did this already once last week, but I guess they liked it so much, we're going to repeat it. Okay, so let me show you. And I guess that means I get to use my new griddle. Oh, really? They're funny. Okay, let's do it. This recipe I actually got off of YouTube. It calls for 4 eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk, a tablespoon of sugar. I add just a little bit over a tablespoon because when I first made it, I thought it needed a little bit more. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a little bit of salt. Salt would be the amount of salt you would normally put if you were cooking eggs. So that's kind of a preference for that. So let's get started. So you want to make sure that your egg mixture is fully incorporated. There's a couple of little spots that I see where I haven't mixed good. So you just kind of keep doing that until you don't see any more of the yellow yolk. And then we are ready to go. I'm going to fire up this new griddle and let's see how this all works out. Okay, so I have heated up, I have cleaned the griddle, which is down here, which you can't see yet. But I want to show you, I like to get this Nature's Own thick sliced brioche style. It's thick and it holds the egg mixture really well. So I just want to tell you what I use for French toast. Okay, so I'm about to put a little bit of butter on this griddle. And yes, it's butter. And since we're having French toast, why we need to be super healthy, right? Okay, so I flipped the first one over. I think I'm gonna flip it again just to make sure that it is cooked well. It's hard to do this with one hand, guys, so. Doesn't it look good though? I think this one's kind of hanging off a little bit. So that's pretty much the process. Like I said, you can flip these over again if you don't think that they're done enough. This one may be fine, but Dante's already asked for his first, so it's gonna come off the plate, and I'll show you what the end results are. Okay, so French toast night was a success, and so now Mama is always the last one to eat. So these are mine, and I'm gonna put a little bit of syrup on them and a little powdered sugar. So we are good to go. If you wanna add some bacon, that's great. So on the recipe, basically you would need 1 egg for every slice of bread you have. It actually stretches out a little bit more than that. So if you guys wanted to make this, just keep that in mind. But other than that, it's a hit. My kids love it. Jordan, when he gets home from band, I'll make him some because he loves them too. So we're done. Breakfast, I keep saying breakfast, but breakfast for dinner is done. Hi, Jordan, welcome home. Are you tired?
I'm really tired.
Yeah, you look tired. Well, you want some French toast?
No, I got a burger.
Oh, wonderful. That means I don't have to cook for you. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Anyway, we missed you on the podcast. This is the first one you've ever missed. And let me tell you, it was a train wreck with Alexis. So joy to me. Yeah. So guys, do you ever wonder, me and Alexis just finished podcasting, and I gotta tell you, here's our little setup. And you ever wonder what a true podcast table looks like that you guys don't see? So this is the tragedy.
The mess.
The mess. Uh-oh, see, got stuff everywhere. So these are the yarns for the giveaway and everything else. And then of course, here is the laptop that we use so that we can see ourselves. And of course,
I can see myself right now.
yes, it was very exhausting filming with Alexis because, she's 6, right? So
I'm excited about the vlogs, that's why.
she's excited about the vlogs.
Well,
But anyway, she's a typical 6-year-old, so the podcast was quite interesting. It's going to probably have to be heavily edited. But anyway, guys, so my next
Don't forget to comment down below.
comment below. So my next thing is to get this craft room in order. There are some things that I want to do. I haven't showed you any of it because it really is a mess. I'm not gonna lie, but I want to. Right now, I have alpha shelving here and alpha shelving there. So I want to actually get some kind of dresser or something that's got drawers in it to be able to, like, literally you won't see anything, because I kind of want this craft room to have a really clean look. So with the pandemic, there were some things at IKEA that were not available. So I'm still waiting and still trying to make a decision on what I want to do. But yeah, so this is what we've been doing for the last probably 45 minutes, is podcasting, etc. Alexis, did you like the French toast?
I loved it.
I see you got syrup on your... Do you guys say syrup or syrup, depending upon where you what part of the country you're from?
Well, depending on the language.
Yeah. So it was good, and I see, yeah, you made a mess.
Some people say
Syrup.
Syrup because their language is different than ours. I don't know
It's
what
not
language.
the language is not different. It's just the accent that's different. That's all. So anyway. All right, guys, this is the end of day 3 Vlogmas. I probably will not be doing any knitting tonight. I've got 2 videos to upload or edit and upload. So yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed today's Vlogmas. I forgot what I was saying.
Or Vlogmas?
It's Vlogmas. Vlogmas. It wasn't a whole lot of content today, but we will definitely try to do better tomorrow. All right.